everyone! Have you ever wanted to say no to someone, but didn't know how?
Maybe you felt it would sound rude, so you said yes instead?
And later you regretted it?
Yeah, we've all been there.
In this video, we're going to show you different ways to say no politely.
You'll learn how to use a soft no, a professional no, a casual no, and even how to delay your answer.
These are super useful in real life, at work, with friends, or even with family.
And don't worry. We'll give you simple examples you can start using today.
So, are you ready to sound more natural and confident in English? Let's get started. Conversation 1, soft, no, borrowing money. Can you lend me some money until next week?
I'd really like to help, but I can't right now.
Oh, is everything okay?
Yeah, I just have some expenses coming up, so I need to be careful.
I understand. Thanks for being honest.
I hope you find another solution soon.
I will, don't worry.
Let me know if I can help in another way.
Conversation 2, professional, no, work setting.
Can you stay late today to finish the report?
I understand it's important, but I'm afraid I have a prior commitment this evening.
I see. Is there any way you can adjust your schedule?
I wish I could, but it's something I can't reschedule.
All right, I appreciate your honesty.
I can come in early tomorrow and complete it first thing.
That works. Thank you for offering a solution.
Of course. I want to make sure the work gets done properly. Conversation 3, casual, no, friend's invitation. Hey Alex, we're going out for dinner tonight. Want to join?
I think I'll pass tonight.
Oh, not feeling it.
Yeah, I'm a bit tired. And just want to relax at home.
That's fair. We all need a break sometimes.
Exactly. Maybe next time I'll join you.
Sure, we'll plan something again soon.
Sounds good.
Conversation 4, delaying. Can you help me move to my new apartment this weekend?
Let me get back to you on that. I need to check my schedule first.
Okay, no problem. Just let me know soon.
Yeah, I don't want to commit without being sure.
That's totally fine.
I'll confirm by tomorrow evening.
Perfect, I appreciate it.
No worries. I'll do my best to help if I can.
Conversation 5, soft note, friends plan. Hey, do you want to come to the beach with us this weekend?
That sounds really fun. But I think I'll have to pass this time.
Really? Why not?
I'd love to go. But I already promised my family I'd spend time with them.
That makes sense. Family comes first.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe another time?
Sure, we'll plan something again soon.
Definitely. I don't want to miss out next time.
Conversation 6, professional, no. Extra task at work. Can you take over this project for me? I'm overloaded.
I understand, but I'm currently tied up with my own deadlines.
It's just a small task.
I wish I could help, but I don't want to compromise my current work.
That's fair. I'll ask someone else.
Thanks for understanding.
No problem.
Let me know if you need help later in the week.
Conversation 7, casual, no, weekend plan. Let's go hiking early tomorrow morning.
Honestly, I'm not really up for it tomorrow.
Oh, you love hiking though.
I do, but I just need a lazy day this time.
That's understandable. Rest is important too.
Exactly. Maybe next weekend?
Sure, we'll plan it again.
Looking forward to it already.
Conversation 8, delaying plus soft no combination.
Can you travel for a business meeting next week?
Let me check my schedule and get back to you.
All right, but I need an answer soon.
Of course, I'll confirm by tomorrow.
Next day.
I checked, and unfortunately, I won't be able to travel next week.
Is there a reason?
Yes, I have a personal commitment. I can't postpone.
Understood. Thanks for letting me know.
I can join the meeting online if that helps.
That would be great.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.